Now the cat gave me motherfucking allergies. Sorry, I'm Malin. I am hungry. I'm mad. I need food. I haven't eaten. Hey, you! I got sorry. Cat here on my fucking mouth. Alright. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Thank God you didn't see the particles because I was facing that way. Oh no.
World-class perfect.
Ow, 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 ow. Oh god.
But should...
Uh-oh. Oh Jesus. Jesus. Sorry.
Into mush. Fucking every night you try going to bed. You just
And there's a smaller shrine right here.
Excuse me.
And then heading...
Especially men are the perfect pawns when you don't give a fuck about them or whatever.
Don't call me flat again, alright? Do not call me flat again. It's gonna give me allergies. I have allergies to flatness. I could never be flat. Wait. Sorry, as I was searching for stuff, I kinda hugged my cat too much. And I got allergies again. Achoo.
The sky. That's the sky, isn't it? It's
Wait. Let me sneeze. It's raining? Wait a second. Excuse me. Sniff, sniff. Yeah, it's cocaine. Excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me. Jesus. Ooh, eat them. Excuse me. It's the allergy. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, wait. Ay. I'm saying. I believe. TikToks. How is the TikTok? Excuse me.
Better than the one that I have.
Sorry. Alright, give me a second, chat. Oh god, sorry. Uh-oh, the cat's giving me allergies. Uh-oh, I know what it is, chat, the cat. We already concluded that I'm a little bit masochistic. Let's go.
The air outside is brisk. The lieutenant is silent for a moment. He listens to the traffic.
Jesus.
I have to sneeze. No, wait. You go. No! I forgot to mute! I don't know. I think I should be fine. I ate earlier, so I'm not hungry. What else? That's true. I can't believe you guys haven't figured out that super my blocks. I worked hard for those blocks. Was that a bear? But it didn't. Wait, no. No!
COVID, it fucking evolved into gastrointestinal. Mario, how could you?